Welcome students. Welcome to the maths class for class 3. So students, as we have started the lesson multiplication, we are going to learn in today's video how to multiply a 4-digit number by 1-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. So let us start. Now first example. So today's topic, that is multiplying digit number by 1-digit number. Okay, so it is same as we multiply a 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So let us start. First we are going to learn how to multiply without regrouping. Without regrouping, again we don't have to borrow or we don't have to carry. So let us take one example from the textbook itself. Multiply 3213 by 3. Okay, so we are going to multiply 3213 by 3. 3213 is a 4-digit number with place values 1000, 100, tens and ones. We are going to multiply it by a 1-digit number, that is 3. 1-digit number means it has only one place value, that is ones. So let us start. The first step is arrange the number first in the vertical columns of 1000, 100, tens and ones. Make the columns. Then write down the number 3213. Yes, and the number that you are going to multiply will be written in the ones column as it is a 1-digit number. Give the multiplication sign and start multiplying. First you are going to multiply the ones, then you are going to multiply the tens, then hundreds, and then you are going to multiply the thousands. So let us multiply. 3 threes are, what is 3 threes are? 3 threes are 9. So write it down in the ones column. Now multiply the tens. 3 ones are, again we are going to multiply this 110 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Write it down in the tens column. Next, multiply 3 by 200. 200. 2 threes are 6. Then write it down it in the hundreds column. Then multiply 3 by 1000. 3 threes are 9. Yes. So what is the answer that we got after multiplying the number? The answer is 9639. So in this way you are going to multiply. So at the last step you can write therefore 3213 multiplied by 3 gives you 9639. So this is the product of the numbers 3213 and 3. In this way you are going to multiply. So this was without regrouping. We have not carried or we have not regrouped any tens or ones. We have not regrouped any thousand or hundreds. This is a simple multiplication of a 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Yes. Now this was the example. Now let us take one more example. That we will take of regrouping. Okay. The next example will be with regrouping. With regrouping. Let us take the example from the textbook itself. Multiply 1753 by 5. That is 1753 multiplied by 5. 1753 is a 4-digit number and 5 is a 1-digit number. So again First step is make the columns of 1000, 100, tens and ones. Write down the number 1753. You are going to multiply it by 5. So write down 5. Now let us multiply. Again multiply by ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand. So 5 threes are 15. Yes, 5 threes are 15. But this 15 again we cannot write down in the as it is in the ones column. So what we will do? This 5 will be written in the ones column and this 1 will be carried on the tens position. So 1 will be carried on the tens position. Yes. Next. Now 5 fives are. What is 5 fives are? It is 25. So 25 plus this one which we have carried, it is 26. Again 26. So 6 we are going to write down in the tens column and 2 we are going to carry on the hundreds column. Now multiply by 7. 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. That is 37. This 7 you are going to write down in the hundreds column and the 3 you are going to carry on the thousands column. Yes. Now multiply the thousands. 5 ones are. What is 5 ones are? 5. And the 3 which we have carried, it is 8. So in this way we got the final answer, that is 8765. Therefore we can write down that 1753 multiplied by 5 give you answer 8765. This is the product of both the numbers. Now in this we have regrouped tens and ones, we have regrouped hundreds and tens, and we have regrouped thousands and hundreds. Means we have carried the numbers. As they were 2-digit numbers, 1 digit will be written, that is the ones digit will be written in the product or answer column, and the tens digit will be carried to the next place value. So in this way we have to multiply 4-digit number by 1-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. Yes. Now open your page number 68. On page number 68 you can see exercise number 4.4. Yes. Now exercise number 4.4. In this first question is find the product. Here already columns are given and there is place, so we can directly multiply the numbers in this column only. That means you don't have to write down the question in the notebook. You can write it in your, solve it in your textbook. Now let us see the second question. What is the second question? Solve the following. Now here there is no place for solving. When there is no place for solving in the textbook, you have to solve it in your notebook. Yes. But I would tell you that it is better if you write down all the questions or solve all the questions in the notebook. This will be a practice for you people. Yes. And we know that practice makes man perfect. So if you practice more, you are going to be perfect. So exercise number 4.4. The first one I will solve it on the board. Question number 2. Exercise 4.4. Question number 2. Let us take the first one. 1324 multiplied by 6. Yes, they have written in the horizontal column. So what you have to do? You have to make the vertical columns and then multiply. So let us multiply. Let us take the 1000, 100, tens and ones column. Arrange the numbers 1, 3, 2, 4. Yes. Multiply by 6. Multiply by multiply. Start from the ones. 6 4 ja. What is 6 4 ja? It is 24. So what we will do? This 4 will be written in the ones column and the 2 will be carried to the tens column. Next, multiply the tens. 6 2 ja. What is 6 2 ja? 12. 12 plus 2, that is 14. 12 plus 2 is 14. Again this 4 will be written here and the 1 will be carried on the hundreds column. Next, multiply the hundreds. 6 3 ja. 6 3 ja 18. 18 plus 1, 19. It is 19. So 19, 9 will be written here down and 1 will be carried on the thousands column. Then multiply the thousands. 6 1 ja. 6 1 ja 6. And the one which we have carried, it becomes 7. 6 plus 1, 7. So what is the answer that we got after multiplying both the numbers? It is, that is 1324 multiplied by 6 is equal to 7944. This is your product. Yes, I hope you have understood this. 4-digit number multiplication by 1-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. So exercise number 4.4, that is question number 1 and question number 2 will be your PH. Solve in the notebook and solve in the textbook as well. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.